Hello, today I'll show you how to start as an adventurer in Crusader Kings III. First, load up a new game or an existing save. You can always start as an adventurer by becoming one through the decision in-game. We've already covered this one on our channel, so I will show you the other ways. You can always start as an adventurer, of course. You can go and play as any ruler. Click this button right here. Wait a second for the world to be generated. And you can choose to play as a landless ruler right here. Or you can click on any existing ruler and you can create your own adventurer. Yep, here it is. Let's give him some random name, don't give him anything, finalize. And as you can see, we have our own adventurer right here. We can already start the game as him. And you can choose your beginning. You'll have access to camp with pavilion and other building slot that can be further unlocked. You can have your role of patrons or camp followers that will be in the camp with you. You can always move your camp and select the new destinations for your camp by simply doing it like here. If you always can also travel to someone and do a contract for them. And well, that's about it. Thank you for watching and please remember to comment, like and subscribe.